Hey guys, today I am here with a different kind of video than normal, but it's going to be really exciting and fun. So today I have a bunch of slime supplies in front of me, and I'm going to be training to make different slimes. I've only made slime once. I mean, technically I didn't really make it. I watched a little girl make it, like she showed me how to make it and stuff. But if you want us to check that out, I will link the video down below. We did it on my vlog channel, so you guys can check that out. Make sure to like this video. Also, my name is Chloe Lee if you're new here. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so by clicking that red button down below. And without further ado, let's get into making some slime. So the first thing I'm making is a clear slime, but you can also add glitter to it, so it can be glitter slime. And I'm really excited. So it only takes 3 ingredients. It just takes clear glue, baking soda, and contact solution. So let's see how this goes. So it says 9 ounces of glue, which is actually this entire thing, but I'm only going to be using half of it because I'm going to have the recipe, or half of the recipe. I can't talk. So I'm just going to pour like half this into my bowl, I guess. So now we're going to take a spoon, I guess, and we're just going to add in like half a tablespoon of baking soda. I'm just going to guess, to be honest, and then I guess we're just going to mix this together. So at this point you can add glitter if you'd like to once you have the baking soda mixed in. I'm not going to because I want to see what the clear slime looks like first. But now we're going to add our contact lens solution. So I'm going to be adding about 1 1/4 tablespoons. Again, kind of just going to guess because I honestly don't know. This is the activator of the slime though, I do know that much. So don't add too much. You can just kind of add some and then add more later if you need to. So I'm just going to mix this and then just continue adding like contact solution until it becomes less sticky. Like right now it's pretty sticky, so I'm going to add more contact solution to that. Oh, this is like perfect. Guys, we did it! This is so awesome. I'm kind of obsessed with this. Like, is this a little kiddish? I hope not, because this is so cool. I think I want to add glitter though, because like right now it's not really super clear. It's pretty much just white. So I'm going to add some glitter to it. I don't know, like I don't think it'll hurt it if I add it afterwards. I think it'll be okay. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, so first slime was a success. I want to throw it at the camera, but I think that would probably not be a good idea. So the second slime recipe that I'm going to be using is the fluffy slime recipe. So it basically uses shaving cream instead of baking soda, and I'm also going to be using blue food coloring and white school glue instead of clear. So let's get into this. I'm kind of excited, a little nervous because this one there's not really measurements, so I'm just going to kind of have to guess at this one. I don't know. Do I just pour in the whole thing? I don't know. I'm kind of scared to pour in the whole thing. I don't know. What do I do? Oh, okay, I'm just going to pour it all in. We're just going to pour it all in. I don't know if I should have done that, but we're going to do it anyway. If I didn't already mention, I've had coffee, so I'm going to add like maybe 3-4 drops of food coloring at this point. And I'm going to stir it up. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. This part is really satisfying because it's kind of like tie-dye-ish. Alright, so now that once we have that all stirred together, I think it's pretty much mixed in. We're going to add our shaving cream, and I'm kind of nervous about this because I don't know how much to add. And I hope my bowl is big enough because I get a slight feeling that the bowl's not big enough. So here goes nothing. I feel like I'm probably just going to add a little bit at a time and then mix it in. So I just realized that my camera SD card was full, so I had to get that fixed. So we're back. More contact solution, I think. Hopefully. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think that's what makes this so much fun, is like I have no idea what I'm doing and I probably look really stupid. But it's fine. It's totally fine. I'm like, I don't know. Like it is pretty sticky, but I don't know. We're gonna add a little bit more contact solution, and then I'm probably gonna knead it with my hands and probably get it all over me. And it's gonna be a good time. I feel like it's too sticky at this point. Like right now, it's a little too sticky, so I'm gonna have to put more solution in it. But I don't know how because my hands are literally covered in this foamy stuff. Okay, I think we're just gonna have to go in for it. Okay, I just got blue stuff. Oh dear, all over the bottle, but it's fine. It's definitely not working. I mean, no, it's not working. But it's still pretty sticky. Like if you can see that, like it kind of gets all over my hand still. And it's still really sticky and I don't know how to fix that. Like, I don't know if it's more shaving cream I need or like, what do I need to add? Like, if any of y'all know, you can let me know what I did wrong or what I can add to make this less sticky. Like, I feel like adding the shaving cream really helps, but then it's like, I don't even know. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it kind of worked. It's an iffy. Like, if I knew what I was doing, I could probably figure out how to make this less sticky, but I feel like it worked. I feel like it did. I need to put it in something now though, because it's like, it's gonna slime all over the table. Thank you guys so much for watching. I realized that after editing this video, I got busy and sidetracked with making slime, forgot to hit the record button on my camera, and forgot to end this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. Make sure to like it and subscribe down below if you haven't already for more videos similar to these. I mean, I don't make slime videos that often, but I make just kind of a array of lifestyle videos. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys really soon with another video. Bye guys!